Is just to cry and think about what these parents are going through. I can't even imagine.
The developments are difficult to comprehend. At least 19 children and 2 adults are dead after a gunman opened fire at a Texas elementary school on Tuesday.
My heart goes out to these parents, and there's nothing anybody can do to bring their kids back. And I can't even imagine what those parents are going through.
As our nation grapples with an immense amount of grief, experts say the best thing you can do is give yourself space.
It's okay to give ourselves space to feel whatever complex, messy, and difficult to describe emotions we might be feeling.
Dr. Javeed Sukhera is the chair of psychiatry at the Institute of Living. He says it's important for people to remember they are not alone.
It can be scary, it can be confusing about who to call and where to go, but the single best and most courageous thing you can do is to ask for help and to reach out. That can be to someone you love and trust. It can be through 211 or to your family doctor, to a health professional.
Keep in mind that everyone copes with tragedies differently.
That not one thing works for everybody, but to remind ourselves we're not powerless. We can and should do something about what we see in this world.
Try to avoid extremes.
If we're finding we're spending too much time, doom scrolling or falling into these traps, to take breaks, to prescribe ourselves breaks, to turn off those screens, to play board games, to go for walks.
And one more thing Dr. Sukhera recommends, try to embrace the joy of simplicity. Reporting in Hartford, Ayagale.